My old ballast is an Advance Mark IV R-2E75-S-3-TP. It has one black, one white wire on one end, the other end has one red, one blue. Went to get new, but I was told they are not made anymore. They gave me a replacement Advance ICN-2P60-SC. It has an extra blue wire. Where does it go? Everyone says follow the diagram, but there is nowhere to put the extra wire, so how can I do that?
Hello. Considering your ICN-2P60-SC ballast is designed to run either 1 or 2 lamps, I would like to confirm that you are trying to run either F72T12 or a F96T12. If that is the case, you will use one blue wire on one side along with one red wire on the other side. You will cap off the extra blue wire. It is not needed if running only one lamp. Keep in mind that your black and white wire will typically not run through the screw shell on a retrofit but are typically wired that way on the original installed ballast. If you would like clarification of that, please let me know.
I am running 2 lamps. F96T12. I got it figured out.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.